Me and Natalia have been trying for a baby for the last 3 years unsuccessfully.
And the doctor said that chances of conceiving naturally are very small, so the best idea for us will be to go through the IVF.
That's until this happened.
Right, I've got something for Harry. That's a gift for you.
What was it? What is it? It's a pregnancy test. It's a pregnancy test.
She's there at home.
Are you being serious? Are you being serious?
4, I did 4.
Are you actually being serious?
Oh, thank you.
Are you being serious? Honestly.
That's all I have.
Hang on a second.
No, but no.
Are you sure?
It's everywhere. It's that
Positive,
all.
positive.
And that's not ovulation because I did that.
So it works.
That was in a bad mood. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't expect that at all. You're gonna be a dad?
Wow. I can't actually believe it.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
It's like 2-3 years I've been trying. We'll get you the test 1 second because
Right.
I have no idea that. How long have you known this for?
Just literally when I came home an hour ago, I was like, I will do it.
How many you done?
4. I wasn't completely prepared.
1 second.
Wait. I'm gonna stop.
So that was the moment that Natalia revealed that she was pregnant. It was the moment we've been waiting 3 years for. Is that right, babes?
Yeah, almost 3 years. That was the 3rd of November. I will never ever forget the day when I did my pregnancy test. Bear of mind, I used to do pregnancy tests almost every single month. But every month I was disappointed. So that was a very, very, very special day to us.
That's why now we want to vlog our whole experience on YouTube. To be honest, it's more so for us so that we can look back in the future and go, wow, there is our whole journey vlogged.
Just to build the memories and also to give, hopefully, people who've been trying for so long like us or even longer, give them hope, not to give up, not to think that if one person said that the chances of obviously falling pregnant are very, very little or you have no chances, it doesn't mean that it will not happen. So yeah.
So to be honest, it is going to be our miracle baby and we're going to vlog this whole experience. We've already started making a video every single Sunday of Natalia's belly progress to show that belly getting bigger and bigger.
You could see the difference actually already.
Yeah, that's probably because you've been eating more food than usual.
That's true, yeah. Yeah, let's pretend it's a child.
And hopefully one day when our little baby, our little bean, because it's about that big, watches these videos, it'll just be very emotional. So, how are we going to start this? Well, we had a visit from the midwife the other day, and the midwife gave Natalia the news that she's been looking forward to. She can still exercise within reason.
Yes, so I haven't trained for 5 weeks since I found that I'm pregnant. Well, I wouldn't say I haven't trained. I was doing cardio, but I haven't trained with weights. From what I've read, from what I've listened and watched, I was able to train. However, I didn't want to risk. I was waiting when I'll speak with the midwife and I will get confirmation from the professional person who will tell me, yes, you can, or no, you shouldn't train. But I got the permission yesterday. Oh my God, I went to the gym straight away. So yeah, I'm over the moon. We can train together again.
And I was a personal trainer for 20 years and I have actually trained many pregnant women. But when it comes to training your own wife, then it's a little bit different because I've said you need to avoid big movements like deadlifts, squats, obviously crunches, ab exercise. But your basic, nice, light, gentle stuff, we can still do that.
I think we were as well stressed, Harry, about that because obviously we've been training for so long and I would never ever forgive myself if because I wanted to do something, it would have an impact on the pregnancy. So
without further ado, should we get ready and go to the gym?
yes, we will.
Let's do this.
Okay.
This is our vlog. But also as well, Exactly. But also as well, what I want to do is with these vlogs is we want to try to make them as natural as possible. So not like robotic, like, hello, my name is Harry. This is Natalia. We are pregnant and we are going to vlog this whole experience.
Or like me.
That actually sounds like you.
I know, I was just about to say. Or like me telling you, oh, can you delete that please? Can you record again? No, not this time. If I'm going to tell you, oh, I look fat, I look horrible. Please don't add this, don't add that.
Tough.
No, it needs to be spontaneous.
It's getting
this
added.
Time, so this is actually our first trial. No, second, because obviously we had to check the microphone. But this is our first, I would say first trial without doing stop, try and record again. No, so it will be spontaneous.
Unedited, raw.
Yeah.
So, come on, let's get the gym.
Right. See you later,
Bye.
guys.
So we're just heading off to our local Pure gym. But just check it out, Natalia, look how Christmassy it looks. Looks very festive. Never mind that. Come on, we need to do some exercise. So any advice for other pregnant women out there, Natalia?
Right, okay, so first of all, if you haven't trained before with weights, do not touch the weights. Obviously consult that with your midwife, consult that with your midwife first, and then obviously train with the person who obviously is qualified.
Like a personal trainer?
Yes, just personal trainer. Second thing, I would suggest reduce your weights. So if let's say you...
Let's have a look what you're doing on there. So you're just lifting light weights on there, weren't you?
Basically, yeah. So what I did, I've reduced my weight 50%. So if I was lifted 30 kilograms on, for example, deadlift, I'm doing currently 15, and that's what I will suggest to do. Yeah, just reduce your weight and obviously definitely.
Is there any exercises that you would say definitely do not do?
I will definitely do not train with anything related, I would say, with your core, such as hip thrusts. I know that the girls doing squats, I would be careful with that. I wouldn't say not to do it, but being careful that any exercises which are connected.
Nothing that's going to affect the core area.
No crunches, no hip thrusts. Yeah.
Great advice to all the pregnant women out there.
Yeah.
You can train.
Definitely train and stay healthy, or at least stay fit and healthy. If you can't train, at least do some walks. If you can, obviously, I would say basically do some walks. Yeah.
I think the other thing you remember is there's a lot of people out there who've never exercised in life and don't think because you're pregnant you should start exercising, because you've exercised what 10, 11 years?
Well,
so
8 years, yeah. So obviously for me.
So you're already a seasoned veteran.
Definitely.
But the most important thing is, after we finish training, what do we need to do?
Go to the Naked Deli.
We need to feed the little bean. Let's go and get some food, yeah? Okay.
Go on.
So that's the gym done. Now every Sunday, me and Natalia like to go for a nice stroll through Newcastle. So we're going to drive to the quayside, we're going to park up, and we're going to have a nice stroll in this lovely British weather.
Typical weather. And what are we going to do?
We're going to walk through the Christmas market. We're going to show you guys what the Newcastle Christmas market looks like.
And what are we going to eat? That's the best thing of the
And as always on a Sunday, Natalia, because she's pregnant, she needs to have her...
I always have that tradition, Halle. Two things on Sunday. The Naked Deli healthy treat and wrap with chicken from McDonald's.
Because you're feeding for two.
No, I still keep my calories, but needs to be done.
Okay, let's go and get some wet feet.
Come on.
One other thing as well, babes, because you're pregnant, unfortunately, I'm going to have to ditch... Get out of the way. I'm going to have to ditch our beautiful Mercedes, and I'm going to have to buy a proper dad car, because this car, unfortunately, it's only got 4 seats.
Fine. I've already scratched it once, so last year, so...
So, yeah, the old Pimpmobile is going to have to go for something more family orientated.
And definitely not white, this time black.
So as always, Natalia's great idea to let's go for a walk in a pouring rain, and it's always the same situation. I always wear white trainers, and you can guarantee it always rains when I wear white trainers.
It always rains here. This is the UK. This country's got such a miserable weather. Sorry, no offense, but that's true. It's always raining here, so
Hopefully,
let's go and enjoy the day. No
hopefully,
matter if it's raining or not.
Hopefully, one day, if our YouTube channel takes off, because our TikTok channel is already taken off, and you know it's doing quite well. But if YouTube would take off, and we could actually make some decent ad revenue from YouTube, then we can move out of this cold, wet, miserable country. We could go live in Dubai or Spain.
Dubai.
It'd be much better.
Dubai.
Rather than this miserable country. I mean, I've been born and raised in Newcastle, and I'm just used to this horrible weather. So, anyway, the good thing is the weather might be crap, but the Christmas market.
Positive. I'm always positive.
But the Christmas market will be
amazing, and it's small and expensive.
Just like my camera recording, amazing. See you at the Christmas market. So our first stop in Newcastle is this place,
The Naked Deli.
the Naked Deli, because we're going to get our healthy Christmas chocolatey treat, aren't we?
The peanut butter jelly for me.
That's the most boring flavour there is. I'm going to go for the raw Snickers. Come on then.
Let's go.
That's the bad boy I'm going to get. Okay. So despite all that lovely food at the Christmas market, we're still going to go to McDonald's and get a wrap, aren't we?
Just for the wrap.
A healthy wrap, it's just...
And we've got our Naked Deli.
Okay.
So, our typical Sunday, yeah?
McDonald's it is. Oh, and by the way, this is why you shouldn't wear white trainers in the UK. Look at the state of them. So, a wrap is it?
For me?
Are you just getting one a day or are you getting two?
No, one.
Just one.
And you?
Oh, I'm just going to get one as well. My pregnant wife, are you happy now that you got your wrap? It is just chicken and salad, so it's not that bad. And you are pregnant, so it is allowed. You're feeding for two now.
Need to have one. Once a week.
One once a week. It's one once a day, more like it.
No, I had twice this week.
Twice this week. Yeah, well, anyway, enjoy. So the one thing which I absolutely hate, which is our Sunday tradition, is being dragged around Primark. Every Sunday. Okay, she wants to show your eyebrows.
Perfectly done. You see?
So anyway, every Sunday it is our tradition to be dragged around Primark, which I think every man absolutely hates. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Amazing.
For the kids?
For you. For you or the kids. It's like a kid in a sweet shop. Primark, honestly.
That's for you, babe, because you love peanut butter.
It's upside down. Are you finished yet? The shop shuts in 10 minutes. We've got 10 minutes. Come on. So eventually we got back home soaking wet, and it feels nice to be back where it's nice and warm and dry. Natalia's busy cooking, and me, well, I'm busy editing this vlog. Have a look. There we are. There is Natalia, and this is the editing program. Just getting everything ready because I want to try and get this all uploaded tonight, if possible. Natalia, on the other hand, she is being a chef. What are you cooking? Actually, what are you cooking?
Veg with peppers, tomato, cucumber, lettuce, and a healthy chicken breast with cornflakes.
Looks very nice and very healthy. Well, anyway, Natalia, that is our vlog done for today. So you need to say subscribe, like, and what else do you say at the end of the video?
Okay, so if you like this video, remember to click like at the bottom or on the left or right corner, and subscribe our channel and wait for more videos which will be uploaded soon.
Wow, you are a pure naturalist. Do you say something in Polish, seeing as you are Polish?
Jeśli podobało Wam się to wideo, to pamiętajcie, zlajkujcie pod spodem, po lewej lub po prawej stronie Harry wrzuci lajka, nie ma powiedzieć, i zasubskrybujcie nasz channel. W przyszłym tygodniu, postaramy się w przyszłą niedzielę nakręcić kolejny vlog, tak więc będzie ich pełno. Prawda, Harry?
And that is the joys of having a Polish wife, because I never have a clue what she's even talking about. But whatever she said, I disagree with it. Okay, on that note, do widzenia.